Hello there. Welcome to Creation Blast 2020. What is it? This is something that I'm creating for this year, but something that I do every year. And I start with questions. What is it that you desire to have, be, do, create, generate for 2020? We are about 3 weeks into the year, so you've had a little time to make resolutions or set targets or however it is you do it. Most of us do tend to look at the year ahead and what we'd like to change, what we'd like to add. And whether you make resolutions or make a list of, goals, targets, or just get a sense of the qualities you would like to have with your life, which is where I go with it. It's a natural time to reflect and to look at what we'd like to create. And so that's what this is, a creation blast. Now that we've had a few weeks to sit with those things, how's it going? Are things moving along? Are you less excited about some things than you were when you first started? Are other things pinging you? You're not quite listening to yet, but they're pinging you and they're pinging you. Maybe those are the things that actually will create more for you as your life and living. Did any of the things that you chose to look at or play with this year, are they based on this reality and all of those things we should want, we could have, like the rights and the wrongs? Are you trying to get the right life in any way whatsoever? If so, this may be a really fun way to play with it. So what is it? We're going to do 2 different Zooms, about 30 minutes each. They will be about 3 days apart. We're going to look at what creation is, what creation isn't, and specifically for each of you who choose this, what is it you're looking to cultivate, to substantiate, to expand, to be, to let go of, all of those things, and to get really clear. So Zoom number 1, we'll be looking at question. So there are 4 elements to creation, which are very different than what we're generally taught creation is. It's much more energetic and a lot less doing, although there are some doing steps that are required to actualize things. But the 4 elements of creation are question, choice, possibility, and contribution. The contribution is the universe contributing to you when you actually ask for something, request something. The universe can go to work on your behalf. So again, session 1, question, 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 question. What is truly being in question, and what questions can we play with that will allow you to get clarity? So it'll be question and clarity. Clarity about what you really desire, what you, when you're truly being you, what it is you would like to have as your life and your living. Did you know that truly living is like a superpower? Are most people living, or are they going through motions, functioning from an autopilot, doing what they think they should be doing, what other people are expecting and projecting of them? This is totally different. You can do that, but it's not going to work nearly as well or be nearly as satisfying as if you get really clear on you and really clear about what you desire. And create this as something that is malleable. It changes. What you chose 3 weeks ago may not be true for you right now. So this whole thing is a system, a process where you can tweak it and play with it and be in question with it. So it's a constant creation rather than a static one-time creation. I talk with my hands a lot. Anyway, I invite you to join us. This thing is $18. I made it accessible for everyone. That is ridiculously less than, barely a fraction of what I would normally charge for a class or a one-time session. But I love creation and I want everyone to be able to play with this. So I'm going to do it every quarter. If you choose, if you know now that you would like to revisit this and play with this every few months for 2020, I said 2019, it'll be $50 if you want to pay in advance for the whole year. If you want to just test the waters, do this one. It's $18. You will get audio and video recordings. You're going to get downloadable PDF worksheets that you can keep playing with throughout the year, whether or not you choose to do this quarterly or you choose to do this once. Doesn't matter. You have the worksheets. I invite you to play. I invite you to come play in these energies to learn more about energetic creation, because it truly is where the magic is. And you are the magic. You are the source of this. So let's play. Um, if you choose to join me, there are links below. You can go ahead and register. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. I'd be happy to chat with you. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye.